2012 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel ABS, air conditioning, front, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.